Kwa mbele nyakwar mgajuang doho ochoro mbele odiochieng winjo bura makwedo winjruok mamiyo thuolo kambi mar Adani kao ting' mar paw ndeke maduong' ma JKA kaluwore ni jayal bura ma winjo buche ariyo makwedo chenrono ne onge. Kaluwore kod ler mar doho kada ma doho nogolo mano maki kod joticha paw ndeke kao ibiro winji tarik 27 dweni kabura machielo no maki kod riwruok mar okinde e pacho ka LSK ibiro winji tarik 17 dweni. Chik makamano kelo kumo winjruok makamano to pod ibiro tiyo godo nyaka chop doho winja wach mar ng'ado buchego. Kagiloso bang' choro nyime buchego, jatend duond bura mar Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka kod nyawadgi mar DAP Eugene Wamalwa onyiso piny owacho mondo omi owere gi winjruok gi Adani.
We think this matter is of critical importance. We are dealing with a critical infrastructure which touches on the national security and the well-being of a nation state called Kenya. We have said before we have no problem with the investors coming to the country, but the way this Adani deal has been crafted, it has all the trappings of what one would call a state capture.
Shall be seeking consolidation of these cases. Means that Adani will not still do anything until these matters are heard and determined. So that is the assurance we want to give. But also thank Bwana Ndiema and his officials for standing with the workers, for fighting for our fellow Kenyans who are at risk of losing their livelihoods under the Adani deal.
We have said not once, not twice, that it's not a good deal for this country. It is not a good deal for workers. It's not a good deal for the sector, that is the aviation sector in totality. We are more than convinced that Kenya Airports Authority is financially able to fund its own expansion and modernization.